This video will guide you on how to download offline maps in Windows 11. Windows 11 comes with the Maps app pre-installed and you can use it to get directions to almost anywhere in the world. However, when you don't have an internet connection, you will find that the app won't work as expected. This can be a bummer if you are in a location with no network coverage while you are traveling. Fortunately, you can download offline maps and use them when your computer not connected to internet. So this is very useful when you are traveling. So here is how you can do that. For that, just go to the start menu. From there, just go to the settings, and from here just move to the apps, and here you can see an option, the fourth one, that is offline maps. Just click on that. Now before you start, you have to update the maps. Just click on the map update and just click on check now. Now you'll get the message that the map is updated. Here you can see that the maps are already up to date. Now once you have updated, just click on download maps, and from here you will get the set of list of the maps available from all continents. You will then see a list of continents and you can expand them to view the countries contained therein. For most countries, you will see the download button next to them and you should click it to download the respective offline maps. For other countries like USA, Canada, you will see a choose region, like you can see here in the Brazil. So you will see the choose region button next to them. You can expand it and download it. For example, if I click on choose region in USA, you can see all the regions here, and you can easily download the map. Just wait till the download is complete. Now here you can see that the Washington DC is getting downloaded. So once downloaded, you can see the offline maps here. And also, if you want to delete the offline maps, you can use this option, delete all, or you can delete it one by one using this delete option. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.